Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to update the information into the MySQL database. First of all, I prepare some data in the MyCast table. And for example, if I make some mistakes, how can I update the breed attribute? And this is the syntax. We need to have three keywords: update, set, and where. Update is connected with the table you want to change, and where is the data you want to choose, and set is the new data. So in English, we choose the cast table. For all the breeds is tabby, we change the breed into shorten here. So let's try to copy these statements into our console. As we can see here, at the period, our tabby is here. And if I use this statement, and then we can see this query works well. And then if we show the table again, we can see the difference. The first row has been changed. Let's do it one more time. If we want to do this, so in this comment, which means from the same table, we want to change all the name as Misty, and the age becomes 14. So if the name is Misty, we want to change his age to 14. We execute it to see what's the difference. Select all from cast tables. Yes, as we can see, the age has been changed to 14. Okay, this is how we use our commands to update our data in the MySQL database. Let's do a very short review. We use update, set, where, three keywords to update our information. Updates from the table to set the new data, where we select the data from. Thank you for today's listening.